For someone who's never experienced the Summer Institute, I would describe it as a way for a whole bunch of really high-powered professionals to get in a room and make magic.
It's a great opportunity to come in and treat it as a sandbox of education where you are taking in so much great information, but then learning how to apply it to your own craft and your own classroom.
I think the best part of this experience so far for me has just been collaborating with other educators. During the Summer Institute, we'll have small group time where we talk and bounce ideas off of each other, and it's a great time.
Our students are so brilliant. They are constantly expanding, constantly challenging, and so at the very least we're not doing our due diligence in being able to help prepare them if we're not able to continuously develop ourselves.